big cruise of, where am I? Budapest. $10. Can't beat that. Not too bad here on board. Let's see what $10 gets us. 10 euros, but about the same thing. Also, you get a free vodka drink, which, I mean, at any bar in America, that's about $10. They got some old ships here also. Okay, we're getting ready to take off. Have dinner inside, but you get a free champagne as well. I'm living the high life. We got a guy playing here. There's the statue he climbed up out there. And beautiful Parliament government building in Budapest.
What's that?
I'm just talking to the camera. Okay, went down a couple bridges along the coast. Just turning around now. Not bad, had a few drinks. Alright, still out here on the water. See that mountain I climbed up and watching the sunset from. Ooh. Man, Budapest, pretty beautiful. It's a pretty beautiful art gallery building. That's pretty cool. You got the big old diesel motors pumping away. Here's the propellers. So old school. Beautiful night, but freezing. This is some kind of nice building up on the mountain.